Alright, what's up guys? Today we have here my 2007 Ford Mustang and we're having a little problem. On the inside, there was some water leaking because I had just taken it to the car wash and my brother was here and his legs started getting wet and we saw water was dripping from this area right here and we got home and we knew the problem. So under this cover right here, there is lots of trash like inside of here. Like leaves, little pieces of grass that build up over time. So all you want to do is, of course, open up your hood. And there's going to be these two screws right here, which we already took off. And it's easy, just get a little crosshead screwdriver, pop it out, these two, and you should have a loose little cover. After you take off the screws, come in here close. It's not just gonna open up like that. It's actually pinned down, as you guys can see these pins right here. Let's just pop it out and it should come off easily.
Yeah, you see all the water there?
Check it out. So what happens is that water is supposed to be circulating and draining down under the car, but instead there's buildup and it's going into the floorboard of the passenger side. So this filter should be right here. We just took it out right now, and as you guys can see, it is a little dirty, and there's bubbles from the car wash that we just came from. So there has to be something. We're checking with the light right now.
Get the clock.
Look at
that, guys.
This is a little plastic cover that is super clogged. Look at that, guys. Okay, this filter right here is the one that is super clogged. Just look at that, guys. And that is supposed to be clear because water is supposed to flow through that. And as soon as we took that little filter out, the water just fell through, which is what we want. Wait.
Look at the hole.
Oh, I see it.
It's supposed to be there draining.
So the water is supposed to go down from there? Okay, guys. We found the problem. I'm really happy right now because I was really worried. I just got this car not even 24 hours ago.
They probably sold it because of this.
They probably got scared because they were like, why is water leaking inside the car? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go buy this new filter and this little... What are you doing, Dory? This little... Look how clogged that is. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so relieved right now.
So what was happening, it was the water, it was being transferred through the air filter. The air filter is the one that cleans the air for the inside.
Oh.
So that
And
one
it filled up so much that it was like
it was leaking.
like there's still some space right there, like so it like goes down, huh?
But the water's all gone, you see?
No water left.
Yep.
And it all goes out through that hole right there.
So that hole right there that you see, that hole that you just saw is where this goes. So water's supposed to go through and drain like under the car. It's supposed to go down like normal. But instead it's clogged up and the water was just staying in there. And it filled up so much that it went through the filter into the floorboard and started leaking water inside. So I'm gonna go really quick to AutoZone, just buy these two parts, put them in, and the car should be A1. We have a
Van Buren Street.
big crash. A big crash.
Otra vez.
Alright guys, the filter, we went and bought it at AutoZone and my dad's putting it in for me right now. We were trying to find this part too, but we couldn't, they don't have it in stock or anything, so I'm just gonna have to clean it. But actually, look at the trash. There's even plastic in here. So I'm squeezing it out. All you need to do is wash it really good. Look at that. Oh! What is that, guys? There's like wire in here and stuff. Oh, whoa!
Yeah, buddy.
Oh,
Guys,
look,
look how clean it is.
it is very nice.
Oh, I don't want to get wet here. There we go, there we go. Way cleaner, guys. There was a Lego piece in there. It was like a Lego. Hey, yo, pause. All right, guys. My dad, thankfully, he just popped it in. It's really simple. We cleaned it. After you clean it, all you have to do, as you can see, is down there. The plug is down there, somewhere down there, and the filter, he just clipped it on, as usual. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully it helps you too if you're having the same problem. It's a simple fix. The filter cost me like 20 bucks, and to clean the plug, obviously, is free. You just need a hose and water. So yeah, let's give it a startup and let's see.
Almost
I forgot what the plastic, obviously.
Should I go to the back?
Start up right here. So yeah, the water was leaking from that area right there. We're coming out from up here. We got MJB11 coming in.
Or more. It's getting close. That should be good, right? Alright. Seems about right.